Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to include other pages. So in the template we have other pages such as the products or the menu, the single product, the about page too. So we need to include these. So I'm going to start by creating a file here in the views called here products. I'm going to create a new file and then I'm going to save it as products.blade.php. And this products will display the menu. It will display the products. And here the products are meals. The products are meals. So I'm going to open the meals here in the template. We have the menu, this menu page. I'm going to open it. And then before we get any code from the menu here, we want to add here the basic code, which is, remember in the index, the basic code is extends layouts. We need to copy this line. And then we need to paste it in the products.blade.php. Similarly with the section, we need to copy this part, and then we need to paste it here in the products.blade.php. And then we need to say at end section. And in between, we need to display the menu. We need to display the products. So I'm going to open the template. Now this is the template. This is the code of the template. We need from the menu, this menu page, what we need is that we don't need the header anymore because we already have the header and the footer. The only thing that we need from this page, from the menu or from the products page, is the products, is the menu. So I'm gonna get, this is the section. This is the food section. I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna copy it, this section. I'm gonna here click on copy. And then I'm going to paste it in my project between the section and the end section. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to here right click and then paste. Now we have this code. However, we need to change the image URLs because the images now are static. So we need to get we need to make reference to the images that we have in our project. So here, the first image we need to say double curly braces and then asset and then single quote and then the name of the image, first the name of the folder, which is images, and then the name of the image, and then single quote, and then bracket, and then double curly braces. And then we need to repeat the same exact thing for every single image we have in this page. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this, and then whenever I find an image, for example this image, I'm going to remove it, I'm going to remove the source, and then I'm going to paste this code, and then I'm going to change the name of the image. F2, and then the third image I'm gonna do the same thing, F3, and then the fourth image again. If you want to use your own template you can do so, but you need to follow the same exact steps that I have shown you so far so that everything works perfectly. So I have a couple of images and we will be done. So here, this is the 5th or the 6th, I think. This is the 7th. And we have another 2 images. We have 8. And we have 9. And we have here, and we are done. So we are done with this. We need also to create the single product or single product page because we need to display a single product per page. So here in my project I'm going to create a new file in the views, and then I'm going to name it. I'm going to click on file and then save as. I'm going to name it single underscore product dot blade dot php. And again we need to add this the basic code, which is this code, which is these 2 lines. We need to copy these, and then we need to paste them in the single product here, and then we need to say at end section, and in between we need to get the code from the template. So I'm going to open the template again, and then I'm going to get the code, which is this code. This is the code, this section. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to close this file, And in my project, I'm going to paste it between the section and the end section here. Make sure that you paste it between the section and the end section. It must go between the section and the end section. Lastly, I'm going to create the about page. So here I'm going to create a new file in the views, new file, and then I'm going to save it as about.blade.php. And then I'm going to get the code from the about here, but before we do so, we need to get the basic code, which again is these two lines, and then we need to paste them in the about, and then we need to say at end section. And in between, we need to get the code from the template. So let me open the template one more time. We have the about page, and then I'm going to open this code. We need this code from here. I'm going to get this code, and actually the code is from here. From here, we need to get this code. We don't need the footer, we need this code. So I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to paste it here in my project between the section and the end section. And we are good to go. The last step is that we need to make links. We need to create links for these pages, because now we have these pages. We have the about, we have the single product page, we have the products page. However, we don't have links to these pages. So you need to open the roots and then web, and let's create links for these pages. So for the first page, I'm going to say root, and then let me give myself some space here. Here I'm going to say root, and then get, and then / and then single underscore product, and then comma, and then function, and then we need to say return, and we need to return to a view called, remember the view is called single underscore product. Remember, the name of the view is in the resources, in the views, the name of the view is single product. Similarly with the products, we need to say root, and then get, and then products, and then function, and then return, and then we need to return to the view. The view is named products. Remember, the name is here products. The name is products. Finally, for the about page, I'm going to say root, and then get, and then / about, and then comma, and then function, and then the function is going to return view about. Let me now save and test. I'm going to click on File and then Save All, and let me test. Now in the browser, first make sure that the server is up and running. So my server is running, and then let me refresh. Now let's go to / and then products. If you go to products and hit enter, as you can see, this is the menu page. This is the menu. As you can see, the menu is being displayed here. Also, if you go to single underscore product, you will have the single product page. If you go to about, you will have the about page. You will also have the about page. So now our template is complete, and it's being displayed in our project.